So somebody posted on the St. Auto Facebook that they hit a deer with their 2010 Prius. And this is the Prius that I am changing the engine in. And that's going to be in a separate video, changing the engine in the 2010 Prius. This is going to be showing exactly which wires go where on this connector that goes to the air box. Because when the deer hit their Prius, the deer hit this corner of the Prius, messed up the hood and a lot of other things. It moved everything around in here and pulled this wire connector apart. And this is the one that goes to the MAF sensor right here in the air box. Just plug it in, double check it, make sure. Yep, see, there it goes. That is the connector they're interested in. Now, they posted this question on the St. Auto Facebook page, and that's one of the reasons why I put up with Facebook being so leftist and have a page there, despite the fact that they're very difficult to deal with on Facebook, because hopefully we can help some people out. The car community helping the car community, kind of like we do with all these children and veteran charity car shows. People just helping each other out. Since I'm already doing one of these, I should be able to get this apart without damaging it and allow them to see where each color wire goes. I say get it apart without damaging it. Try not to damage anything. There's the connector. Clip right there in the corner, and another clip right here. Taking one clip loose and then another one's snapping back together, so bear with me here. There it is. There are the wire colors for the MAF sensor on the 2010 Prius. Right here's the side with the clip. And there, that looks like a white. And I'm colorblind now, so I can't really tell you what all these are. But that looks like a white and another white to me. And two blacks and a brown. Or is that red? Anyway, y'all let everybody know in the comments what these colors are. Start from where the latch is from the left, what the color wires are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these wires, just in case some more light would help. Actually, that seems to be making it worse, doesn't it? Maybe if I put something white behind it, does that make it any easier? And I'm going to flip it over from the other side. Alright, thank you for watching St. Auto. I sure hope that helps. Till the next video, get off the couch and get dirty. Insanely cool cars, tool reviews, and auto repair videos.